Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of data structures. Today we are going to discuss about how to insert a node at a particular position. In the previous sessions, we have already discussed that how to insert a node at the beginning of the list and also how to insert a node at the end of the list. And here is a PPT of the insertion at a particular position. Okay. After this session, the learner will be able to know how to insert a node at a particular position in a single linked list. Mm, Before seeing how to insert a node at a particular position, we have to be cautious that the list should be already created. If the list is not created in prior, we cannot insert a node at a particular position because there are no certain positions because the list is empty. If you want to insert at a particular position, compulsory the list should be of few nodes. Then here what we are doing is, as you can see on the screen, there are 3 nodes of a list. If these nodes are not there, then if you try to insert at a particular position, only a single node will be created in the list and the data is inserted into that node. It means there will be only one node in the list. If you want to insert at a particular position, the list should be already created. So here, to insert at a particular position, what actually we need is there should be already a list which consists of few nodes, and we have to create a new node. How the new node is created? By allocating some memory by the help of some dynamic memory allocation function. Suppose here we use malloc function for creating a node. After that, assume that this is a current node. Then into this node we have to insert some data. Then what we have to do is we have to read a position. The position is what, at which particular point we have to insert the node. Suppose if my position is 3, I have to insert the node at this position. It means this is position number 1 and this node is at position number 2, and here we have to insert the node, and this node will be moved one step forward. For this, what we do is this is how the node got created by the help of this function, and with the help of the second step the data got inserted into it, and I have read a position called 3 at which place the node is to be inserted. Now what I'm doing is I'm making the first node as next node. It means I'm assigning head node to next. Now I'm making the count value as 1. It means the position is at first node. Now I'm using while loop. Why do I'm using while loop? Because if I want to move to third position, I have to move from first position to second position and then second position to third position. For this purpose, I'm using the loop. Initially, I'm making the first node as next node. Then after that, what I'm doing is I'm checking the condition. 1 less than 3. That is 1 less than 3. It is true. So what I'm doing? I'm entering into this while loop. Now what I'm making? I'm making this next node as previous node. Initially the first node was next node. Now what happened? By the help of this step previous equals to next, I'm making this first node as previous node, and I'm moving the next node to the second node. That is next equals to next link. Now I'm incrementing the count. Now count value becomes 2. Now, what I'm doing? Again, I'm checking the condition 2 less than 3. The condition is true. Now, what I'm doing? I'm making the next node as previous node. Initially, the next node was at second position. Now, by the help of the statement, I'm making previous equal to next means the previous node is at second position. Now, again, the next node is moved to the next node. That is next equals to next link. That is at 1008 place, the next node is moved. Now, again, I'm incrementing the count. That is 3. 3 less than 3. 3 less than 3. The condition is failed. Here the condition is failed. So we'll not repeat this while loop. Again, what I am doing? Now previous node is at this place and next node is at this place. Now I want to insert the node at this position. So for that, what I am doing? For linking if I want to insert the node here, what should I do? I have to link this node to this node and this node to this node. For that, what do? I store this address here, 1012 address here. So automatically this link get created. Now what do? If I want this link to get created, I have to store here the next node data, that is this node data, that is 1008 should be stored here. As you can see, so this is the node what we have to insert. So here 1012 node is address is stored, and here the address of this node is stored, that is 1008. This is how we are inserting the node at a particular position, that is at position number 3. Here is the source code of this insertion in a C language. Initially, I am declaring count equal to 0. To create a new node called as current, by help of malloc function, I'm using the statement. After that, for inserting data, I'm using scanf statement. Then I'm reading the position. Initially, I'm making the head node as next node, and I'm repeating this loop until I find the position number 3. Then after that, at that particular position, by the help of these two statements, I'm linking the previous node to that current node and the current node to the next node. I hope everyone understood this session. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.